Okay, this is cool moves for the month of December. All right, so let's dive right into it. This was actually like a 3-in-1 move. Starting from close. We go 1, 2, down, up. Oh, let me do that now. Yeah, we're just gonna lead the follower forward. 1, 2, down, up, down. Take that same concept and the leader lets go. 1, 2, down, up, down. Leader stays here, follower goes out. And now, same thing as I bring the follower back. 1, 2, down, up, down. And then we got out of it by taking the follower's hips away, forward. All right, nailed it.
And the next thing was
yeah, probably like this. So it's an outside turn into rocks. 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 3, 5, 7, and a 1, 2. Do whatever you want together. 2, 5, 5. So one thing to remember when we're doing that outside turn leaders, we are changing our footwork to 1, 2, 3, and 4. Step, 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 step. And we're facing away the follower, and we're going to get that hand right in the, our lower back. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Step, 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 step. Get that hand there. Make a nice big lunge back. Back, forward, back, forward, and a rock step. And that's what we did.